This is a look, baby. And this ain't even my final form. Nobody believes me when I tell them I got this coat from SHEIN, because SHEIN has been coming with it. I love this outfit so freaking much that, you know, I'm wearing it now. I can't even take it off, y'all. Look at it. It's so cozy, so freaking chic. I did get this fur jacket from SHEIN. It's really nice quality. I do not know how it would hold up if you washed it. I think I got it maybe in like an extra large or XXX, whatever like that 16 kind of 18 is in SHEIN. That's what I got it as. It's very light. It's not a really heavy fur, but it feels really, really good. Underneath this jacket, I have this cute black kind of one shoulder top from Amazon. I got it in an XXX. It fits really nice. The top, as you can see, has like a mesh top, and then like the body part is more of like leather, kind of like it's like a snake skin leathery kind of look, but the texture is really soft. Whew, this is it, baby. I paired this coat and this top with this denim skirt from SHEIN. It fits really well. It's super flattering. I love how it's like almost, it's a solid denim, but it's also kind of like a tie-dye, and then it has like this geometrical kind of triangle cut to it in the front. I really, really love that, and I had so much fun in this outfit. My date really loved it, and we had a good time. I finished this outfit off with these thigh-high boots. You guys have seen these boots a few times. I got them from Amazon. They are so comfy, but I also have like super wide feet, and traditional heels really hurt my feet. So I feel like these boots give me that lift, that heel that elongates my leg, but they don't hurt my feet. I could wear these literally all night, walk around in them, and I feel just really good at the end of the night. It was a date night fit for me, but where would you guys wear this fit? Now I love this jacket so much that I even paired it with this denim jumpsuit. Let me tell y'all about this jumpsuit. I was really, really skeptical. I did not know how it would fit, but it actually, it's very flattering. It hit all of my curves in the right way. Super stretchy. I got it in a size 2X, which is equivalent to like 16, 18. Sometimes you have to size up with SHEIN. Right now I am a true kind of 14, 16-ish. When I order from SHEIN, I tend to size up. The seams throughout this jumpsuit, I think, is what makes it super flattering. And then it has like the flare bottoms. I don't like when the flare bottoms are too wide. Just something about it that throws me off. So these are like super perfect for me. I love them, love them, love them. I know spring is around the corner, so for a different look, I just paired this jumpsuit with my pink heels. I've been trying to wear these heels for a year now. I bought them last year and I have yet to wear them out, but I think this spring I will finally get that chance. I think it looks really good with this denim, and just throw on just like a pink purse and pink accessories for like a really simple look. You could wear this, you know, to brunch, out for a good time, or it could be like a spring concert. This is a really fun look as well. Y'all know I love fun. If the outfit ain't fun, then what are we doing, really? I know by now y'all are saying, NeNe, enough about this coat, but y'all, I love this coat so much that I got it in black. I got it in black too, for more of a different look. Like if I didn't want to just be kind of outrageous, I got it in black so I could have more of a classic look. And then I paired it with this top again. You can do so much. Like, I love that the pieces that I have, you can just do so much with them. You don't have to just wear them from one outfit. You can do a million things with them. So what I did, I took this top, the black coat, and I paired it with these skinny jeans from SHEIN for a whole different type of look. This is a very classic look. This is if you're the type of person where, you want to look really good, but you're not trying to, like, cause a lot of fuss, have a lot of attention on you, and then this outfit would be the outfit for you. It looks really good. You could wear it on date night, you could wear it with girls night, you could wear it out. You can wear it out for a good time, and you're gonna still turn heads. But if you're like a shy girly like me, it's not gonna be like, oh wow, oh my god, but if you want to, oh my god, you're gonna have to wear this one. Now let's talk about these jeans. SHEIN has really been coming with it, y'all. I was skeptical about ordering jeans from SHEIN. I did not know how they would fit, if they would be saggy in the front, in the back. I did not know, but these jeans fit wonderfully. They don't have a hemmed bottom. It's kind of like just a clean cut, but that's okay. I do not know how these would hold up when you wash them, but I think, you know, you could maybe still get, if you wash them and then maybe like let them air dry, you could probably get about 2 to 3 wears out of these. I personally, when I wash these, I would kind of turn them maybe inside out before putting them in the washer, and then maybe wash them alone, and again, just let them air dry. I think they would last a long time. I also paired these jeans with a top that I got from Amazon. This top was actually in my last haul. I just thought it looked much better with these jeans, and I wanted to show you guys this outfit. Is why I paired it with these jeans. Let me know what y'all think. Did y'all like last week's look with this top, or are you liking this week's look with this top? If you've been following my style journey for a while, then you know I am at heart a leisure girl. I'm always gonna go for those styles that feel really easy, really comfortable, and that's what I got with these cargo pants. These heels, I did pair them with a corset and these pink platform heels to give it more of, less of a leisure look. Really love how this came together. I love the cargo pants with the heels, and then with the baseball jacket. I got these cargo pants also in a size 2X, so they have a bit of a loose fit, as you can see. The material is not too light, not too heavy, which I really like about these pants. This outfit, I would literally maybe wear it to a baseball game, but I must say that this outfit was super fun. I felt like a little kid in it. I felt like dancing, felt like having a good time. I definitely think that I have tickets to the Usher concert, and I do think that my outfit will be some variation of this, if not this exact look. I also paired this outfit with the racer jacket. I thought it would look really good with that as well. This racer jacket, I'm not really sure how I feel about it right now. It's really thin. It's not hitting like I thought it would hit, but I don't know. Let me know what y'all feel about this. I'm a little iffy about that one. Now this last outfit really surprised me. I actually did a photo shoot in this one recently. If you follow me over on Instagram, or you follow the YouTube shorts and you've seen this outfit already, it's a denim poncho with black jeans, and I kind of finished it off with some brown boots. But I really like how this outfit came out. It's a very stylish and practical outfit. Everyday outfit. You could wear it on casual Friday to work. You could wear just hanging out with family or something like that. Denim poncho is the statement piece on this one, and it is a showstopper. So many people love this poncho. I got so many compliments on it, and I just really like the way that it turned out. These jeans also come from SHEIN. They were a little loose. I only wore them for a few hours. They were a little loose, so I would say you could probably get away with sizing down in these jeans. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you found at least one outfit that you absolutely love and that you want to try. Let me know which outfit was your favorite. Which outfit are you going to run and get? If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And let me know if there were any outfits that you really loved or that you really hated. I'll see you guys next time.